Howdy YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman. So today we're going to be getting straight into it, and we're going to be doing a replacement on the battery for the Sagola 4600 Xtreme digital. It's really easy to do, so I've mentioned it in another video, and somebody just actually specifically asked for this video. So as you can see there, I've got a T45 Torque Bit, or you could obviously use an Allen key too. You don't necessarily need the Torque Bit. Undo this piece at the bottom here. Of course, be careful, you do have a O-ring there, and then we should have a spring there to keep the battery in place, and down there it shouldn't be, there you go, it just pops straight out. So as you can see there, we've got the battery here. These are non-proprietary batteries. I don't know what they're from, obviously not a watch battery, but they're easy to find. Just jump on eBay or Amazon, whatever, wherever you get your batteries from, Battery World, no doubt they will have them. But now it's, when it was tightened up, you can see that it's scratched a little bit, so I'm finding it hard to read the exact number on this battery, but it's a 3 volt. It looks like CR1, or it could be a CB1, but as I say, it's been sort of scratched off when it when that's been twisted in. But it's really easy to change, really easy to put back in. You can just push it back in with your finger, and then it'll sort of knock back out. Make sure you put that spring in, otherwise you won't have any connection. And off you go, put that back in, and it is really as easy as that. Honestly, I think they should all be that easy. I don't know why they make it so difficult with some of these other brands. I have actually heard that these ANIs are just as easy as well, so you can just undo those 4 or maybe 6 screws, and then you can pop that off. And again, they're non-proprietary batteries, easy to replace, easy to find. So yeah, another big thumbs up for the ANI on that one. But yeah, this video here is obviously about the Sagola 4600 Xtreme. Now look, on a side note, just to finish this video, I'm actually going to say I'm slowly kind of turning off the Sagolas, just mainly because of the small fan. So I've been using this gun for wet on wet for years. You can see it's sort of, you know, it could do with a little bit of a clean, but I've been using it for wet on wet because they don't have any seals. They've got this metal on metal technology inside here, right? So you can sort of throw it around. You can, you know, you can be a little bit rough with it. But yeah, in saying that, Spray Guns Direct recently did send one of these out. So the ANI F160 Silver in 1.3. I didn't even ask for it, they just sent it out. But yeah, I just thought, oh, since they send it out, I'll give it a shot, you know, for wet on wet, and even some base coat. And the fan on this thing is ginormous, and I've just been struggling to even want to use that. And then I did go back to using it today after using that all last week. I went back to using that, and I was really unimpressed. Sorry, Sagola. I mean, you've got a lot right with these guns, you really have, but the size of the fan is just too small. But yeah, that's about it for a little short video for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, hopefully you got something out of it. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Coming out.